Hello second year, and welcome to Home Learning Week 2 for Computing. What we are doing here is having a look at our practical task for today. First thing we're going to do is go to a website called Discovery Education. So you just type that into Google and you get a wee list of stuff here. I'll send a link for it as well, just to help with that. And the important thing we have to do is to make sure we're picking this one up the top here, discoveryeducation.co.uk. because the global one and the .com one down here don't work. So I'm going to click onto Discovery Education and we are going to log in. Now I'm going to put the username and password onto all the documents. So I'm just going to get this done quickly. That's the wrong one. Everyone's got the same username and password, so when it comes to handing in work, I would like you to try and get some screenshots of what you've done and add them onto the Google Classroom. Log in now. If I ask you to save the password, just save it. It's going to make everyone's lives easier for next week. And up at the top here, we have got our options. The one we are going with is this one in the middle. We're going for Python. So if we click onto that and then go down to Introduction to Python, this is our first lesson. We've got 4 main sections here. We're starting this week on Introduction to Python and Python printing. So if we click onto that, and it will load up. Now as you're working through this, you'll get little prompts to help you with this. So if I click there,
Python printing. In this lesson, you'll learn basic coding with Python by learning how to print lines of text on the screen. Python printing. In this lesson, you'll...
And what we should be seeing is, as we're working through this, there's lots and lots of help to get you going. This is why we've chosen to do it this way. Because obviously I'm not in the room with you, I can't help you out. But this website here does give us lots and lots of stuff we can work with to do it. So anyway, to start the lesson, we'll click Let's Go. Up the top here, you can see we have got 5 separate activities. And our first job is try some simple Python, make your program display the words 1, 2, 3. At the side here, we have got our individual options here. Print 1, print 2, print 3, and all we are doing is putting them into the right order. So once 1, 2, 3 printed, I'll drag print 1 to the first line, print 2 to the second line, and print 3 to the bottom line. If I think I've got that right, I can click our Run Code button here, and on the right hand side of the screen here, it shows us our output. And because I've got that right, up the top here, that's turned green, and we've got the arrow to go on to the next one. If you get completely stuck as you're doing it, there is also a wee video.
For our first simple task in Python, we're going to learn how to print.
And that will walk you through exactly how you should be doing it. What I'd like you all doing is trying to make sure that you're working on your own as much as possible. This is problem solving based, so you're trying to figure out these problems on your own. If you are totally stuck, please use the video. I'd much rather you're getting it finished than doing nothing. So the video is there to help you if you need it, but you'll learn it much better if you're trying it without the videos. So we've got lots of different lines and options to do. I'm just going to skip all the way through. And at the very end, once we finish those 5 wee tasks, we'll get a wee more open form one. So it says you completed the first part of the lesson. You now experiment by making a program that tells people all about you. It says and your partner. I wouldn't worry too much about that. And again, we've got our different building blocks here. Now inside each of them, we've got a little green box, and that lets us put our information in. So I'm going to say my name is Mr. Ritchie. I am a teacher who can't spell. I like coding. You see what I've done here is I've actually dropped it in the wrong place. So I'm just going to click on it here and drag it down the bottom. So my name is Mr. Ritchie, I am a teacher, I like coding. I do not like cabbage. And you get a wee blank one here, we can put anything we like in that, and we can use these ones again and again and again. So I can also add in just any message I want, so I'm going to say hello everyone, I'm going to run my code, like that, and that's us sorted. Now once you get to this stage of the practical, what we'd like you all doing is taking a screenshot. So if you're on your phones, I'm sure you already know how to do that. If you're on your laptop or a desktop, then we've got the snipping tools that we've used before, or we've got the print screen button on your keyboard, which will take a wee screenshot. And as you're doing it and working through it, if you can take a wee screenshot of as much of the code as you can and add them onto Google Classroom, I'll get a wee document on there just for you to paste your results in. So good luck everyone, look forward to seeing what you come up with, and I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.